In this video, we will talk about quantifiers. But what are quantifiers? Well, they're words that are going to tell us the amount of a noun, quantity. And we've got many in English. Many is a quantifier, in fact, okay? So take a look at them. Don't panic, okay? I'm just showing. So all, both, little, every, lots of, each, nav, many, most, much, some, any, a lot of, little, how much, the, an, a few, how many, a piece of, too many, yeah? Okay. But first of all, you have to know something to use these quantifiers. We're talking about countable nouns. So, countable nouns are nouns that can be counted. And they've got singular. One cat, one chair, and plural. So, if you can count cats, you can count 1, 2, 3, and 3 chairs too. Alright, so countable nouns have singular and plural. What about uncountable nouns? Well, they have only singular. There's only one, okay? You can count them, so there's only singular. And we're going to take a look at these different kind of uncountable nouns. We're talking about liquid, like water, wine, milk. Substance, like for example sugar, salt, or rice. Material, like wood, glass, plastic. We're talking about abstract names, something like love, hate, hope. And talking about nouns that are a collection of things like luggage, money, and furniture. So, depending if your noun is countable or uncountable, we're going to make a different list of nouns. For example, singular. Each boy, cada chico, every girl, toda chica. The book, el libro, an elephant, un elefante, one man, un hombre. And if we're talking about plural, then we have other quantifiers, like for example, all cars, todos los coches, each of the students, cada uno de los estudiantes, both students, ambos, los dos. A lot of students, muchos estudiantes. Enough chairs, suficientes sillas. Many chairs, muchas sillas. Most teachers, la mayoría de los profesores. Some parents, algunos padres. The parents, los padres. 2, 3, well, you know it. Few girls, pocas chicas. How many? If you want to ask cuánto, la cantidad, and we're talking about countable nouns, we say how many boys, how many chairs, how many, okay? And now, talking about uncountable nouns, we got these quantifiers. Enough milk, suficiente leche, little sugar, poco azúcar. A lot of sugar, mucho azúcar. How much water? And now, if you want to ask about some quantity, talking about uncountable nouns, you have to say how much. How many, countable, how much, uncountable. How much water, how much milk, how much money. Some bread. Okay, so these are a bunch of countable, uncountable nouns and quantifiers.